Hello mga kumaritis! Sino nga ba ang dapat naming sundin? Yung advisory coming from the DepEd Philippines o yung announcement ng aming mayor sa Parañaque? Kasi halos magkasunuran lang yung advisory at yung announcement ng aming mayor. Siguro mga almost 30 minutes pa lang ang nakakalipas. Ang nakalagay kasi dito sa may advisory ng DepEd Philippines ay this April 28, 2024, in view of the latest heat index forecast of the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, or known as PAGASA, and the announcement of a nationwide transport strike, all public schools nationwide shall implement asynchronous classes or distance learning on April 29 and 30, 2024. Ang announcement kasi ng aming mayor sa Parañaque, April 29 ay meron kaming limited face-to-face and April 30, doon naman magkakaroon ng asynchronous classes. So, sino ba talaga dapat ang aming sundin? Likewise, teaching and non-teaching personnel in all public schools shall not be required to report to their respective stations. At sabi din dito, private schools shall not be covered by this advisory but shall have the option to implement the same. So,